Good evening, folks. We have breaking news. Augusta County Sheriff Donald Smith's good friend and suspected lover, Felix Adriano Chujoy, is back in trouble with the law. Online court records show that 2 days ago, on May 26, 2020, Chujoy was directly indicted by an Augusta County grand jury for a Class U felony. The indictment alleges that back on January 30th, 2020, Felix Adriano Chujoy manufactured a controlled substance, methamphetamine. Remember, folks, this is the same Felix Adriano Chujoy that Augusta County Sheriff Donald Smith called a close friend in an official sheriff's office press release this past fall. This is the same Felix Chujoy that made a phone call to Sheriff Donald Smith's cell phone from the Middle River Regional Jail holding area back when he was arrested on charges of online child sex solicitation. This is the same Felix Chujoy that Sheriff Donald Smith continued to be friends with during his labor trafficking case. And this is the same Felix Chujoy from our earlier reports who called Augusta County Sheriff Donald Smith multiple times from the Rockingham County Jail while he was being held on federal charges for witness tampering. Many of our viewers remember those phone calls because they were recorded by the Rockingham County Jail, and we played them right here on Breaking Through News. Sheriff Donald Smith was eventually called to testify on behalf of the prosecution in that case. But once he took the stand, federal prosecutors called Smith a hostile witness and accused Smith of protecting Felix Chujoy, not the federal government. Now here we are again. As of right now, Felix Chujoy is a fugitive. Will Sheriff Donald Smith protect his quote-unquote close friend and suspected lover, Chujoy, again, or will he protect and serve the people of Augusta County? Does Sheriff Donald Smith know the whereabouts of his good friend, Felix Chujoy? And if not, how is Felix Chujoy staying one step ahead of law enforcement and evading arrest? We already know Felix Chujoy has been given special treatment by the Augusta County Sheriff's Office under Donald Smith on this charge. We will explore all of these questions and many more tomorrow in an in-depth and detailed report. Remember where you heard this story first, right here at Breaking Through News. In Verona, Theodore, Whitelow, Breaking Through News.